Hey everyone, how's it going today? I'm cryptoFOXXY. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about leverage trading. There's a platform that I have been using. We're going to talk about that in this video. Before we do so, please sure you smash the like button and you're subscribed to my channel for more cryptocurrency news and information. Sometimes I do educational stuff like this as well. Now, I just want to start by saying leverage trading is highly volatile. You could potentially lose all of the funds that you are basically betting. It's more of a gambling type scenario. So please protect yourself. Learn how to do that. Learn how to use the tools that are involved in leverage trading, and just make sure you are fully aware of what you are doing. Please do not take this as financial advice. Only I just wanted to show you guys something that I've been learning and teaching myself as well. So traders can maximize their buying and selling power and potentially reap pretty significant rewards using leverage trading, but you can also lose. So, we want to learn how to use the tools available to help us mitigate some of these losses as well, and make us a little bit safer. So it's going to be a better user experience if you're winning, right? So that's what we want. That's what we would like to focus on. However, you know the the risk is still there. So just be very, very careful. Leverage trading crypto offers potential for higher profits and increased exposure, but you have to have careful risk management. So we're going to learn about ratios and opening long and short positions using stop loss and all that good stuff here. I'm going to be using Margex. Margex is a platform that I personally use, and I'm going to put a link in the description down below. Now, I do have an affiliate link, so I could potentially make a little bit of commission off of you guys joining. So just, be aware of that. If you don't want to do that, that's completely cool. You guys can still watch my videos, like them, whatever you like to do. So let's jump into it here. So this is Margex. So Margex here is a very, very simple platform to use. So I really like their design. It's easy, very, very simple. They have order book over here. I find this gets a bit distracting, so I just kind of like to close it out. I don't really necessarily need to see what everyone else is doing. I just need to know what my plan is. So right here we have trade. So this is where we're trading. We have copy trading. That could be something for another video. We have our wallets. I have a little bit of money in my portfolio, not a whole lot, just maybe about $100, completely fine. And so we're going to go here to trade. So right now we are going to be, this is my funds right here, main trade. I'm trading with BTC because that's what I have in my wallet. So this is going to be the chart you're trading. So you can do Doge, you can do SHIB, there's Sol, Matic, a whole bunch of other different cryptos. They've got Forex, they've got a number of different assets. So what I like to start with is isolated. When I look at leverage trading, but personally, I like the leveraged margin mode. So you manage your risk on individual positions. So no matter what, if I get liquidated, I'm only going to lose the amount of money that I put in that one trade. So say I bet $25. I put $25 in on a trade, put it at 100x leverage. I'm only ever going to lose that $25. It's not going to matter what my other trades are. That is probably the safest one that you could use. So you could do a cross positions under the same margin asset share the same asset cross margin balance. So in the event of liquidation, your assets would basically close out your other positions to pay for what you owe. We don't want to do that because it's very, very risky. So I start with isolated margin for sure. Now this is here. This is where you would select your leverage. So pretty much the higher the leverage, the easier it is for you to get stopped out. So they could potentially, call back and say, okay, we're going to liquidate your position. So, if you're going on, say 30x, I mean, if you're starting out, I would just, put it on a very, very low amount so you kind of get the feel of how things work. So we're just going to basically put it right there. We'll go, let's put it on 10. So 10. All right. So I have traded with a little bit more as well. I've been testing and stuff. So let's put on 10x isolated. So right now, so this slider right here represents how much money I have in my wallet, right? So I have 0.002 Bitcoin to trade. So I am just going to put this at 25, roughly 25%, and at 10x leverage. So that would be about $28 out of my account, 28 US. at 10x leverage. So that gives me $287. So if I wanted to open up a long position, so I think that Bitcoin is going to go up, I'm going to put in a market buy right here. We click that. So this is showing me my leverage, 10x, my size. So that's how much money I am using, including my leverage, my margin, my available balance, and this is my liquidated price. So that means if Bitcoin is to drop down to 51,900 and change, whatever you see, it's changing it all the time there. That is when my position would be liquidated. So if I wanted, I click buy. So on the other hand, if I wanted to make a short position, so I want to bet that Bitcoin's going to go down. So I would click on this one here. So my leverage is 10x, same thing. But my liquidated price is going to go up because I'm betting that Bitcoin's going to go down. If it goes up, I can get liquidated out. So I don't want to do that. So let's go back over to buy. I'm going to open up, just for this video, I am going to open up a long position. Excuse me, I'm still battling my cold that I've had here. So we can see here down below. So we see down below that this is my position. I'm going to move my my picture here 1 second. There we go. All right. So we can see right here, this is my position. So this is when I opened my asset, how much I'm betting on as well. That is with my my 10x. That's my margin, my open price. So this is showing me what the price was when I opened my position. This is the current price. This is the liquidated price. So if Bitcoin is to drop to $52,048.50, they are going to liquidate my position. They are basically going to take all my money and close out my trade. So here, this is very, very important part right here. We are looking at a take profit, stop loss. So take profit, obviously, you're taking profits. Stop loss is you're mitigating your losses. So I can close out this trade before it hits this price and liquidates all my money, which is really, really important. Because if you are, I mean, I've only have $27 in this, but if I had a lot more money in this, that's, even with the $27, I'm still going to protect myself. But so 52,000 is my liquidated price right now. We are sitting at 57. So say I don't want to wait that long. I am going to set a stop loss and I'm going to put it for, say, 57,000. So say I don't want to have too much risk, right? So all it would take for it to drop to 57,000, I'm going to basically pull up my trade and I would just hit confirm. You can put on here how much of your trade you want to do that with. You can do a partial position right here, or you can do your entire position. So that's something right there. We could also put a take profit. So take profit is extremely important as well because it's almost as important as putting on a. So I always suggest doing this because, when we enter a trade, we should be going in with a plan in place anyways. You should be planning on how much you're wanting to make off this trade. So say you were just wanting to swing, 20% or so. You put in 20, it's going to show you 58, 9, 10 is what is the target price that you need to be at. So then you would hit confirm. It's going to drop it down here for you. And you can see take profit. And you could also put a stop loss in there as well. You don't have to just do one or the other, right? So let's put a stop loss in as well. We're only going to go down, let's say minus 10%. So there. So now we have a stop loss and we have a take profit order put in. So when that hits, it's going to do it for you automatically. You don't have to be here sitting here watching it. And so that's basically leverage trading in a nutshell. Very, very simple. However, you got to be very, very careful because look at the swings here. I was in a few of these trades earlier today. I won a few. I also lost a couple. So I'm about even right now. So I'm kind of sitting in a good spot. I am using an indicator on my chart here. I am using the EMA cross. I find that is decent for scalping. I was looking up many different scenarios. So the EMA indicator is regarded as one of the best indicators for scalping since it responds more quickly to recent price changes than to older price changes. Traders use this technical indicator for obtaining buying and selling signals that stem from crossovers and divergences of the historical averages. So, I'm obviously learning myself. So I just wanted to bring this to you guys, let you guys know what I'm working on. I think, I really want to work on this for the summer. I want to get I want to get this down pat. Obviously, there's a bit of luck involved. There's also a bit of technical analysis, and there is a bit of, Managing your risk is a big thing. Like I mentioned with the stop loss take profits, you got to use those. Must, they're an absolute must. So if you'd like to try Margex, as I said, link in the description down below. It is a referral link, so I would potentially earn a little bit of commission there for you joining. But you know, I'm going to make some other videos as well, learning the rest of the platform because there's copy trading, there's many other different things on this platform. I absolutely love how easy it is. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. I don't want to make it too long. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.